SSK 4TB SSD USB-C Drive, real dual connector speed without cables or compatibility drama.
You're standing there with a laptop, a phone, and a file that absolutely needs to move between them, but you can't find the right cable, or the adapter, or the drive that fits both ports without a dongle you left somewhere. One designer missed a client presentation deadline because his USB-C drive wouldn't connect to the conference room computer. Sound familiar? You're not imagining this frustration.
Hours wasted searching through drawers for the right cable. Presentation files trapped on the wrong device while the meeting starts without you. Juggling 3 separate drives because none of them work universally. The mental load alone is exhausting. A photographer once described it as digital homelessness, never quite sure where your files can actually live. That constant friction kills momentum and focus.
The SSK 4TB SSD USB-C drive changes everything with a brilliantly simple design. 2 connectors, 0 cables, total freedom. Don't just buy any portable SSD. Make sure it has dual USB-C and USB-A connectors built directly into the body, so you never suffer from the wrong port, no adapter nightmare again. This drive delivers up to 1,000 megabytes per second transfer speed across 5 bands of compatibility: iPhone 15, Android phones, Windows PCs, Macs, PS4, PS5, iPad, and practically anything with a USB port. The solid-state technology means no moving parts, no fragile components, just plug in and go reliability every single time. A video editor was rushing to deliver a project from a coffee shop when his cable-dependent SSD failed to connect to the borrowed laptop. Wrong cable, wrong port, 0 options. He switched to the SSK, plugged the USB-A end straight in, and transferred 80 gigabytes in under 2 minutes without a single adapter or delay. The 4TB capacity holds years of content. The metal housing stays cool. Performance feels effortless. There's a reason pros keep one on their keychain. Want to know what it is?
The transformation shows up immediately in how smoothly your day flows without friction. Efficiency skyrockets when you stop managing cables and start just connecting. The dual interface design means one drive serves your MacBook, your client's Windows desktop, your iPhone 15 Pro, and your PS4 without switching anything or carrying adapters. Transfer speeds consistently hit 850 to 950 megabytes per second in real-world testing, turning 10-minute file copies into 30-second transfers that feel almost instant. That time compounds daily into hours saved weekly. Your workflow rhythm improves when files move faster than you can think about them. One storage analyst observed, the SD301 Pro eliminates the cable as a failure point. Small detail, massive convenience gain in daily practice. A freelance videographer shared, I dump 256 gigabytes memory cards in 5 to 6 minutes flat. That's faster than copying to my internal SSD sometimes. Independent tests confirmed iPhone 15 compatibility is flawless through the Files app with 0 configuration needed. An IT professional noted, we deployed these across 30 employees, 0 compatibility issues, 0 failures across Windows, Mac, and mobile platforms. Real users, one wrote, it's small enough for my keychain and holds my entire photo library plus 3 years of backups. Worried it'll overheat during big transfers? The metal housing dissipates warmth efficiently even during sustained 200 gigabytes plus operations. You grow to trust it completely. See why creators refuse to work without this exact setup now. Does your current drive give you that kind of universal confidence?
This isn't about hype or flash sales. It's about equipping yourself with 4 terabytes of genuinely fast, universally compatible storage that fits in your pocket and works the instant you plug it in anywhere. Join the photographers, gamers, business professionals, and mobile creators already experiencing 0 cable workflow and instant cross-device access without frustration. Individual results may vary based on host device USB generation and file types, but the engineering and real-world proof remain consistent. It just works everywhere. Click the link below, experience the SSK 4TB SSD USB-C drive today, and feel what cable-free 1000 megabytes per second speed actually means.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.